I want to separate things that have to be new from things that can be at a secondhand store so that we're all on the same page. Okay. I recommend you have a new smart TV. I recommend you have a new microwave oven just for energy efficiency because you got an RG&E bill you got to pay. Okay. Um, I recommend that you have new linens and a bed mattress. You want to have a bed mattress that's covering your bed as well as a mattress. I'm saying the wrong thing. A mattress cover. You want to have a mattress cover and you want to have pillow covers. Why? Because people will ruin your linen. They will always ruin your linen. Just kind of plan that for that. And if you don't have something covering the mattress, it makes it extra hard on your cleaner. That makes sense, everybody? Give me a thumbs up if it makes sense. Yeah. Okay. All right. Also, so we talked about the protectors. Um, I order a lot off of Amazon because it delivers right to you. Um, I have a mover. That's another expense. Cleaning. All right. Where do I get my furniture? I get most of my furniture from AV Vets, Goodwill. That's why I have a mover here because I don't do any lifting. I will just not even I can't even take ownership. Yvonne will go. She will earmark what we need to have, and we will go and pick it up. Um, they will pick it up. Fully stocked kitchen. So as I look at my list, this is actually an incomplete list. Yvonne has a list of everything that you want to have in a kitchen, fully stocked, and nothing needs to be brand new. Okay, so let me pause for a second. You don't see artwork on that list, but it's a nice little touch. You don't see um you don't see me like going out of my way to paint the rooms, a particular color, although a fresh shed of paint is cool. But the truth of the matter is, if you go on Airbnb, it can be extremely intimidating because you have some people that they're not just looking for a room, they want to create an experience. That's a different market. That's a different customer. It's not necessarily a customer that I don't intend to service in the future, but I just don't service that customer right now. And it's important for you to know that if your specific desire is just to be in a longer clientele of occupancy where they're here for 60 days or longer, they don't want or need for it to look like, a book and a magazine because that raises their price point. All right, Stacy, you had a question.
That was an accident, sorry. But when you're talking about experience versus, a daily living, I find that like when I look for Airbnbs, I just want a place that is equal or better than where I'm living now.